Nothing beats being with the people you love, exploring things that make you feel alive, creating memories that are going to last forever.
Εύα, θέλουμε κάτι άλλο.
Νομίζω είμαστε κομπλέ.
Και εγώ έτσι νομίζω.
Άννη, άνοιξε το καλάθι.
Yeah!
I think the best way to begin the day is Greek coffee.
Πω, τι έφτιαξε.
Then we make a small schedule. We prepare things. We go on our cities to see what we can do, what we can explore.
Greece is a perfect place because we have so many islands. You can just cruise around and go into every cove and every cave. You can go wherever you like.
When you're in some islands, you don't have signal. It's like your phone understands that now you're on vacation, you have to relax.
We are like small wolf packs. It's fun. We're not taking anything seriously.
I think that the best way to close a day is a nice meal. This is my way to show the appreciation, the love, and the care for my friends.
Cooking some amazing food by the fire, leaving some really beautiful memories all together.
The best feeling ever.